The top 6 types of meat diabetics can enjoy, an unexpected secret to effectively lowering blood sugar. Do you think having diabetes means saying goodbye to all your favorite meat dishes? Not necessarily. It just means you need to be a bit more mindful about the types of meat you include in your diet. Some meats are higher in saturated fat, cholesterol, and calories than others. For people with diabetes, making smart choices when selecting protein is crucial. It's no surprise that some options are healthier for you than others. Today, we'll dive into a list of the best meats for diabetics, from high-protein options that help maintain stable blood sugar levels to those rich in healthy fats that offer incredible health benefits. Stick around until the end of the video to learn tips for selecting the right meat, along with cooking suggestions that preserve nutritional value and help manage diabetes effectively. Don't miss out, this list might completely transform how you plan your daily meals. Number 1, Skinless Chicken Breast, the king of lean meats. Skinless chicken breast is the perfect meat for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. This tender, white meat option is incredibly low in saturated fat and packed with high-quality protein. As a result, chicken breast helps you stay full longer, reduces cravings, and keeps blood sugar levels steady after meals. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, 100 g of skinless chicken breast contains 31 g of protein and only about 3 g of fat, making it easy on the digestive system and ensuring it doesn't spike blood sugar levels. This superfood also supports muscle development, which is crucial for boosting metabolism in diabetics. To maximize the benefits of chicken breast, you can try preparation methods tailored to a diabetic-friendly diet. For example, steaming chicken breast with fresh lime leaves and ginger enhances its natural tenderness and sweetness without needing additional fats, while still offering rich flavors. If you're craving something more flavorful, try green peppercorn chicken bites. Dice the chicken breast, season it lightly with green peppercorn and mild spices, and pan-sear it to create a lightly crispy crust. Pair it with a mild green peppercorn sauce for a dish that's both delicious and supportive of stable blood sugar levels. Feeling creative? Make grilled chicken and vegetable skewers. Combine chicken breast with colorful vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini. Grill at high heat to achieve a smoky, savory taste without using sugary sauces. The combination of protein from chicken and fiber from vegetables is a foolproof way to control blood sugar effectively. Skinless chicken breast is a versatile and easy-to-prepare option that helps you maintain stable blood sugar levels in any meal. But if you're looking for another meat with outstanding nutritional value and rich in omega-3s, the next option will surprise you. Number 2, Salmon, the omega-3 warrior from cold waters. This cold-water fish is renowned for its naturally vibrant orange-pink flesh, smooth texture, and rich, buttery taste that doesn't overwhelm. It's the ideal protein to help your body fight inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and maintain stable blood sugar levels. What impresses me most about salmon is its exceptional omega-3 content. Just 100 g of salmon provides a remarkable 2.2 g of omega-3s, a nutrient hailed as a weapon for reducing inflammation and protecting cardiovascular health. According to the American Heart Association, omega-3s can lower the risk of heart disease by up to 30% while effectively managing diabetes complications. But salmon doesn't just shine nutritionally, it's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You'll be amazed by the variety of ways you can prepare this delicious fish. Let me share a few methods that will make your salmon dishes restaurant-worthy. A classic option is herb-roasted salmon. Simply place a salmon fillet on a baking tray, sprinkle it with herbs like rosemary, dill, and minced garlic, and drizzle with fresh lemon juice. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, and you'll have a fragrant, tender dish that retains the fish's natural sweetness without relying on sugary sauces or unhealthy fats. If you prefer bolder flavors, try turmeric and black pepper pan-seared salmon. Start by seasoning the salmon with a pinch of salt, pepper, and turmeric powder for a golden hue. Pan-sear it in a splash of olive oil over high heat to create a crispy exterior, then reduce the heat to cook it through evenly. The combination of turmeric and omega-3s enhances anti-inflammatory benefits. Craving something lighter? A smoked salmon salad is sure to satisfy. Toss smoked salmon with kale, avocado, and flax seeds, then drizzle with canola oil and apple cider vinegar for a refreshing, nutrient-packed dish. For a unique twist, try salmon veggie rolls. Thinly slice a salmon fillet, place slivers of carrots, bell peppers, and asparagus inside, roll it up, and lightly steam or bake. This dish perfectly balances protein and fiber for a delightful and healthy meal. Tempting, isn't it? But if you're looking for a more affordable and familiar meat option that still offers great health benefits, the next choice will leave you nodding in approval. Number 3, pork tenderloin, the star player of lean meats. Pork tenderloin, the leanest cut of pork, is a highly nutritious yet often underrated option. In reality, it's one of the best choices for diabetics. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, just 100 g of pork tenderloin delivers about 26 g of protein with less than 3 g of fat, an impressive balance for those looking to reduce calorie intake while maintaining steady energy levels. Pork tenderloin is also a rich source of selenium, a mineral crucial for supporting thyroid function and boosting immunity. Additionally, it's packed with vitamin B1, which helps convert carbohydrates into energy. Here's an even more exciting fact. A study published in Clinical Nutrition revealed that incorporating pork tenderloin into your diet may help lower fasting insulin levels. When it comes to cooking, pork tenderloin is incredibly versatile. Start with a classic, steamed pork tenderloin with ginger and lemongrass. Ginger and lemongrass not only enhance flavor but also have anti-inflammatory properties, aiding digestion and blood sugar control. Thinly slice the pork tenderloin, steam it with fresh ginger and crushed lemongrass, and finish with a squeeze of fresh lime for a light, flavorful dish. Another must-try is mustard-glazed roasted pork tenderloin. A mix of whole-grain mustard, unsweetened honey, and apple cider vinegar creates a bold, tangy glaze. Roast the pork at high heat to seal in the juices and retain its tenderness. This dish is both delicious and calorie-conscious. For a comforting meal, try pork tenderloin stew with vegetables. Simmer the tenderloin with carrots, celery, and tomatoes in a pressure cooker for a hearty and nutritious dish. The fiber-rich vegetables in this stew help slow sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. But if you're looking for something more luxurious with robust nutritional benefits, the next meat option will take you to an entirely new level. Number 4, beef tenderloin, the king of red meat with top-tier nutrition. If you're looking for a flavorful and nutrient-packed meat option, beef tenderloin is a must-try. Known as a mobile iron reserve, beef tenderloin is a protein powerhouse that helps sustain energy and overall health. Its high protein content, low fat, and abundant iron make it an excellent choice for diabetics. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, 100 g of beef tenderloin provides about 27 g of protein, keeping you full and curbing cravings, a critical factor in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Additionally, its natural iron content supports oxygen transportation in the blood, reducing fatigue, a common issue for diabetics. Compared to other cuts, beef tenderloin is much leaner, minimizing your intake of saturated fats, which can pose a risk to heart health. In the kitchen, beef tenderloin offers endless possibilities for your menu. One of my go-to dishes is pan-seared beef tenderloin with olive oil and minced garlic. Simple yet flavorful, this dish preserves the meat's natural sweetness. For a more visually stunning and nutrient-rich dish, try beef veggie rolls. Wrap thin slices of tenderloin around carrots, bell peppers, and asparagus, then lightly steam or grill. This dish delivers a balanced mix of fiber, vitamins, and protein in one complete serving. Another excellent option is grilled beef tenderloin marinated with black pepper and fresh lime juice. Thinly slice the tenderloin, season with pepper and lime, and grill over charcoal for a perfect combination of crispy edges and tender, juicy meat inside. It's sure to impress even the most discerning palate. If you're seeking the perfect blend of nutrition and taste, beef tenderloin is the answer. But the list doesn't end here. The next option might surprise you with its versatility and exceptional benefits for diabetics. Stay tuned. Number 5, eggs, small but mighty. Don't let their small size fool you. eggs are simple yet extraordinary. A single egg contains 6 g of high-quality protein and virtually no carbohydrates, a great combination for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Beyond protein, eggs offer other remarkable benefits you may not know about. Choline, a nutrient found in eggs, plays a crucial role in boosting brain health and reducing inflammation. For diabetics, this anti-inflammatory property is a significant advantage as it helps improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage caused by diabetic complications. If you think eggs are limited to boiling or frying, it's time to explore more exciting ways to enjoy them. One of my favorites is baked eggs in avocado. Simply have an avocado, remove the pit, crack an egg into the hollow, sprinkle with pepper and paprika, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. This dish is not only nutritious but also visually stunning, making me feel like I'm enjoying a gourmet meal. Another go-to recipe of mine is veggie stuffed omelets. I whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, pour the mixture into a hot skillet, and when it begins to set, I add spinach, mushrooms, and diced tomatoes in the center before rolling it up. This dish delivers the perfect balance of protein and fiber to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. For busy days, soft-boiled eggs are my quick yet satisfying choice. Boil eggs for about 6 minutes to keep the yolk soft and creamy, then enjoy with a sprinkle of sea salt and black pepper. This simple meal is not only convenient but also provides long-lasting energy. Eggs are truly a nutritional powerhouse for diabetics. But if you think they're the only standout option, stay tuned for the next surprise. A rare but highly beneficial meat is waiting for you to discover. Number 6. Goat meat, the digestive champion for meat lovers. If you think red meat is always a no-go for diabetics, goat meat will make you think again. Goat meat offers a surprisingly positive twist. It has lower saturated fat than beef while delivering high-quality protein and nutrients that support blood sugar control. With approximately 27 g of protein per 100 g, goat meat is a nutritional powerhouse. What impresses me most is the presence of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, in goat meat, a healthy fat shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Combined with its rich iron and zinc content, goat meat helps replenish energy and boosts immune function, two crucial factors for diabetics. The best part about goat meat? Its versatility allows it to transform into a dish that satisfies any palate. Try grilled goat meat with herbs, simple yet incredibly effective. Marinate the meat with minced garlic, salt, and pepper, then grill over charcoal or sear in a skillet. When cooked to perfection, the aroma of the spices blending with the meat's natural sweetness is simply irresistible. For a more hearty option, go for goat meat stew with vegetables. I love pairing goat meat with carrots, celery, and onions in a low-sodium chicken broth. Slow cook until the meat becomes tender, and the broth turns into a sweet and savory medley of nutrients. This dish offers a warm hug on cold days. If you prefer something fresh and quick, slice goat meat thinly and stir-fry it with ginger, garlic, and bell peppers over high heat. To add crunch and vibrant color, I usually toss in asparagus or bok choy toward the end of cooking. The result? A high-energy stir-fry that stabilizes blood sugar while letting you enjoy bold and delightful flavors. If you think foods that are good for blood sugar must be bland and boring, goat meat will surely change your mind. Now, would you like to know more about the types of meat considered blood sugar saboteurs? These villains often contain high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol, increasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, a dangerous complication of diabetes, and making it harder to maintain stable blood sugar levels. At the top of the avoid list are processed meats like sausages, deli meats, bacon, and ham. These products are typically loaded with salt, preservatives, and hidden sugars. According to a study from Harvard School of Public Health, regular consumption of processed meats can increase the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes by up to 42%. Another type of meat you should be cautious of is fatty cuts or meats with thick marbling, such as pork belly or grilled ribs. The saturated fats in these cuts can elevate LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, hinder blood flow, and damage small blood vessels, all of which are especially harmful to diabetics. If you're a fan of fried dishes, remember that fried chicken or other fried meats are also blood sugar saboteurs to eliminate from your diet. The crispy, oil-soaked coating combined with refined carbohydrates can cause blood sugar to spike right after a meal while adding stress to your cardiovascular system. Make smarter choices by prioritizing lean, unprocessed meats and opting for healthy cooking methods such as grilling, steaming, or pan-searing. Instead of processed meats, you can prepare dishes using lean chicken, salmon, or beef tenderloin, equally delicious and much better for your health. Remember, eating meat isn't always beneficial if you don't know how to choose the right type. Eliminating these saboteurs from your meals will bring you closer to achieving blood sugar control and living a healthier, longer life.